No woman can satisfy a man's urge. Men are dogs.
That's why the city sex cannot keep a man.
No, you're mistaking it.
You are
sex that comes with sexuality can keep a man.
Hello.
Hello. Long time.
Thank so much. We love to have you here. Welcome again. This is Shasha. No, welcome. No mind, just don't shy. Oh, confirm.
Yeah, so
your objection?
My objection is that without good sex,
okay,
marriage will fall. Then, like saying about sex doesn't hold a man. I don't really believe in that. You understand? Because what I believe is that being married is a game of love. It's not because you're the most perfect woman. It's not because you're the worst person. Marriage is a game of love. Like being lucky doesn't mean that you're the most decent woman or you're the most perfect woman. It's just that you're lucky and you got the right man that wants to settle down and both of you build a home. That's what I see it to be.
Okay, but do you know that so many marriages now, sex in that marriage is whack.
That's what I'm saying. Why that you're married?
Oh yes.
80% of marriage is sex. Forget we are being deceived. Sex is what brings happiness in a home. Once you don't satisfy your woman, she start going outside. There will be room for all those things you don't want in the room. There will be respect. There will be disrespect. There won't be peace of mind. Because once you come back, your wife is already waiting for you. She's already furious. You start asking, what problem are they going to marriage? Man, again, I won't get what's a problem. When we're good, we make up sex. Or taste water.
Okay.
It's a for him now. Every day.
But what I'm saying is,
okay, go ahead.
In a marriage, sex does not come first in a marriage.
To me, sex is everything in marriage.
Yeah.
You fuck your man very well. You don't understand. No, you don't understand. Okay? Having sex sex with sex has this thing. Once you click with somebody, forget you can fuck somebody, it doesn't matter. But once both of you build a bond, it's a different thing. Hello. Once both of you build a bond, it's a different thing.
Okay.
In fact, that is even what makes a relationship to last more.
Sex.
Once that two things comes together, it's not just to have sex. Once there is this neutrality between the both of you, you people can quarrel. Sex will make you people up. Even when both of you doesn't agree in some certain things.
You're on point.
These are lies they tell people. That's why some marriages doesn't work.
Okay.
Because they keep lying to you.
So do you think that sex makes the marriages did not work?
Yes.
No.
And we're good sex in marriage. Wait, now what can I
talk? The
man can give you everything, but once a man fucks you very well, you'll be loyal to that man.
Can I talk? Can I say something? What does not imagine attention. When you don't give your woman attention in a marriage, that is when problem comes in. It's not about the sex. You might be getting the sex, but when you're not giving your woman attention, attention is important. in a marriage.
You are
It's not all about
diverting
the
now.
sex because sex
She's diverting.
She's diverting,
I'm
yes.
not diverting.
Hold
I'm
on.
saying that sex cannot keep a man in a marriage.
No, but
No,
That is my
Nancy.
own.
Sex can keep a man.
In a marriage.
90% of women deny their husband sex. That is why we have a lot of men cheating, going after side chicks. Why are they going outside to meet side chicks? Is because their women are denying sex. I mean,
It's a lie.
It's
A lie.
keep a man.
Men
If
cheat.
you give your man
Men are
good
cheat.
sex,
The day you know this, the day you know peace.
a man, a man.
Can I say something?
you are saying this thing. Hello. In a way with your full chest.
With my full chest. I am married. A good sex can be a man.
Okay.
Hold on. Nancy, we go and
what can I know?
One question for you.
What?
Before. Just one question.
I don't even care.
No, I know before. You're not that special
who loaded? I will give him peace. I will give him good.
Okay, so Unana hold on. Please. Our piece, we have to install that piece in here now. Oh, when you know Shasha. Can you first say?
Oh my God,
Shasha is no fight.
Nancy, the same is the first minute. In fact, the relationship we've been for 4 years, you pumped that guy that first day because the sex was good.
Okay.
Nancy, wait, the sex was good.
No, that's another
one. Nancy, I want to play. I think for my people working in Nigeria, being promiscuous is not what we are talking about here. A man sleeping with different women is not what I'm speaking of now.
Okay,
because men, African men, I have one daughter. Arab woman, Nigeria, see Alabaso woman. A woman will start feeling used and being.
Of course.
You start feeling used in your marriage. I said, I need to be no woman can satisfy a man's urge. Men are dogs.
That's why the secret sex cannot keep a man.
No, you're mistaking it.
No.
You are not explaining the
can keep a man.
So, equal in a point, in the sense that relationship na sour for a while. A good sex can actually,
yes, reverse that.
What I mean, laws like no fighting. Instead of beating a woman with your hand, put the anger in your third leg and use the third leg to.
Thank you. For instance,
Nancy, man, Nancy, can we get below? Do you know if a man fucks you very well, a guy might give you all the money in the world. If one guy in a lag of man stupidly is only in the alada ball, we are king of value without money. He doesn't give you anything because he touches you, you feel complete like a woman.
Of course.
Also, because you're just going there, you find out why you like that guy because he's giving you money. Not only an analog of from it's just that we are attracted with money. Well, you can see we are attracted. No, we women we are attracted with money. Nancy, onye ọbụla gị na-enwe that chemistry. Nancy, a na-enwe chemistry. Ọkwa chemistry, a na-enwe ya. Nancy, ọ bụrụ nwaanyị ya ka nna mana ọ bụkwa nwoke niile ịla Nancy, ọ bụkwa nwoke niile ịla ka gị na-akụba. O nwere nke gị na ya ga-akụba.
Of course.
And it happens once in a while.
You're not getting me. That same sex cannot keep a man. It cannot keep a man all to yourself. A man not outside that road too.
Add other attributes, not just sex. A good sex can keep a man if you add other attributes. Like somebody like me, like very good in sex, but there's other attributes. One of the reasons Ojueno is wife is a good cook. Apart from the bed, that one comes. But he alone knows that okay, Onya is a good this in this, good in this. So for me, this generation, sorry to use that word, but I need to get here wrong. We do more of sex, and that will scare a guy. At least even if in my that thing, you like sex, add other attributes as a lady, not just sex. Some people, I have a friend, I have a lot of single ladies as my friend, right? Some will tell me, Dora, I'm going for weekend, Haga weekend. The only thing Hannah married their boyfriend is me pork masache, any other thing. So how do you want the guy to keep you? How do you want the guy to see you as a wife material? I said no.
Sex is not even, cannot even make you look like a wife material in front of a man. Take it from me.
Okay. Nancy, I keep telling people marriage is luck. Marriage is a thing of being lucky.
Of course,
that's what I subscribe to marriage.
I can take that.
Marriage is being lucky.
Thank you.
You can, let me tell you, what I do for a living, I have a catering services. I cook. When it comes to cooking, when it comes to, in fact, because I believe that when you have a chemistry with somebody, you're good with that person. So that's why you can feel when you're a champion, another girl will come and beat you in that game. So no woman is a champion. No woman is a champion.
Likewise, no man is a champion.
That's the thing now.
The worst nightmare of an Ukem people. Because they know what they are capable of. Ukem become very dangerous anyway. So no woman is special. No man is equally special.
Nwoke we kill Logana because ni marry eshi. Nwoke we kill Logana because ni na take care of him. Baby, aku ya dem ma. All of tala is Shasha shele beni ni meji shele beni ne. All on a dey clean. This sala for Starbucks, beni na black clean. You lot agi track we meje ya. Mozo beni ne yo bata. In friends you are sherry. Oh, we can all fall in love with all those things in him. Maybe he's a lazy person. My wife is here to do this thing for me. My girl is there to do this. One day, above process and I don't sound okay.
Nancy, what keeps marriage? But we don't know. What keeps marriage are three basic things. I'm not married, but I know. What keeps marriage is respect. Number one is respect. Once you give a man the respect he accords, forget to go to kicking. You can rent a caterer. I know of a marriage. The guy, the girl till tomorrow they buy food outside, and the guy is comfortable with it. So it's not about you cook the best. It's not about because once you give man a piece, and that peace of mind is respect. A man also not about peace of mind. Peace of mind is respecting a man, identifying that he's the man in the house.
Now we understand. That's it. You're not understanding me. I said it's peace of mind and space that can keep a man. For 12 years. In a shiri, you just taking your love or taking in a shiri, and I can't take it. It can't move you and put it to you.
One more last. All depend on man anyway. Different okay with what they want or what they like. Some people like you only sex, come to my house, sex, morning and afternoon and night. Why some people have that kind of a lady, they'll be like, only I just make all you for the meantime. Somebody I know, you understand? So it's all different choices. different okay with the heart. In fact, this time I fuck boys than responsible guys. And how many sex about you book forever, you know? So different people with different choices. There's no issue, no need to fight. Okay.
No need. Thank you, my sister.
So here point made, right? And Shasha, can you wear glasses? Let's get your point.
Okay, I feel I hope to go there. Don't worry, man. Oh, when you the other day, enjoy to go. Because you waga. Man, I hear kita Igbo marriage.
Okay.
Very soon. Very soon. In anya kita late of na. Nobody should get offensive, but I clear. In anya if na high rate of runs girls when now go to Abuja. 80% Igbo girls go to Lagos. 80% Igbo girls go to Nka. Reason one man, one woman. And the other must be can daughter below highest. I'm not 10 years a divorce. And end also space. Unquechiro or Piota. That's it. I'm not saying I'm not seeing it, man, but that's the truth. Okay. It's the obvious part, though. Very soon, I think at least even at your village now, you understand what I mean. There were a lot of single young women.
You mean wait, let me get your point. You say there were a lot of single young women.
Igbo girls now know they did. And you know, our people have this mental. Or like going Yoruba, a Yoruba girl might be approaching like 30. You understand? Our people are not cultured like that. They want to give birth in a man's house. That is why.
Okay,
and don't do Igbo. I had the same don't do Igbo. Before the name of someone had a lot of people have the parents. The reason no Germany have
it's a case I would like to look in on a very good day. Whatever I mean. So no problem. Shasha, we love you.